This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Gartrell. Beautifully updated ranch situated on a quiet cul-de-sac with lake views in the heart of Virginia Beach. Bright and airy floor plan with renovated eat-in kitchen offering granite tops and stainless appliances. Spacious family room with fireplace, large formal dining room or office, and 3 bedrooms. Primary suite offers 2 large walk-in closets, renovated bathroom with shower, double vanity, and granite tops. This home has brand new paint and carpet, November 2023 new roof, March 2023 new air handler and furnace, Sept 2022 new H2O heater, Sept 2022 LVP floors, October 2021. Enjoy an inviting fenced backyard with a spacious patio with a power awning, 1.5-car garage and conditioned storage space or workshop. The Indian Lakes community offers junior Olympic-sized and toddler pools, community center, 9 playgrounds, 8 basketball courts, tennis court, and 144 acres of common area with 12 miles of paths for biking or jogging, short commute to bases, schools, and several shopping options. For more information, review the details below.